So this is my upgraded dog treat robot. We still have the 3 ultrasonic sensors across the top, as well as the infrared sensors here for obstacle avoidance. Added one more back here. I had an issue with it backing into things, and it pushed this breadboard up and disconnect all the wires from the microcontroller up here. So I needed to be able to stop it from backing into things. I also added a Bluetooth chip up here, and that's communicating with my phone here. And then also integrated all the I had 3 microcontrollers controlling the previous robot, but I've now put all the code into one, and that makes it a lot simpler to use and a little bit lower power as well. Easier to program, I should say. The coolest thing is this Pixy camera right here. It's a high-speed camera with an onboard processor. So I'll show you that here. So when I hit search for George,
where are you, George? Where
it
are
goes
you,
into
George?
an autonomous mode. Starts looking for him. I'm gonna turn off the motors because they're loud. So now that camera you can train it to see certain colors or hues. So I have it set up now to see red and track it. But the idea is I can also set it up to see like George's jacket. And then when it sees his jacket, it can turn around and shoot a treat over to him. So it's actually pretty quick. Pretty good at tracking. You can see the servo motors back here. I put this together, obviously, from a tutorial. It actually works pretty well. And then you can use that data also to control the wheels, so it can like follow objects and do stuff like that, which is pretty cool. This is what it looks like on the computer. That's actual code executing up there. Since I have the sensors turned off, it's just saying 0, but normally it would be sending readouts from that. This is on the left is the Arduino program, and on the right is the Pixy. So when it sees George, then it turns around and then uses this motor back here to fire a dog treat to him. That's the idea, at least. Yeah, and then the Android app I made was built with MIT App Inventor. It's actually really simple. I'll show it to you. You can just kind of put it together. It makes sense. It's actually not very complex. I really recommend you check it out if you get bored. And this is the mini game I'm working on. Obviously, if you recognize King George II there, you realize this is not historically accurate, but he absolutely looks the part, if you know what I mean.